Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Kozlova. I am lash and eyebrow artist in ProGlance company. My specialization and big love is eyebrow wax correction. Today I'll share with you the peculiarities of wax correction and advantages of this material. I'll tell you which products to choose and show you a masterclass with our model. Watch this video till the end because I've got a bonus for you. I'll tell you how eyebrow artists can use wax to get additional profit. Let's go! So why should you choose wax for eyebrow correction? First, eyebrows keep their perfect shape for longer. Waxing allows you to increase intervals between procedures for up to 3-6 weeks. Second, waxing takes much less time than corrections with tweezers. Third, quality wax captures any hair well. As a result, eyebrows look more expressive and bright. Fourth, regular waxing makes hairs grow slower, so they get thinner. And of course, wax is suitable for thick, coarse, and intensely growing hairs. What products to choose for the procedure? Try Capsulated Wax by Hana Expert. This is a delicate, non-allergic product. It is perfect for removing hairs from the skin. One small bottle of wax is enough for making over 30 procedures. Also, pay attention to a new format, a large bottle of wax. It will last for more than 200 procedures. This wax can be used without bandages. It is removed from the client's skin quickly and delicately. Thanks to its elastic texture, even beginners can perform eyebrow correction quickly and delicately. Wax by Hana Expert in a large bottle is very cost-efficient for artists. Also, you will need a wax heater for your work. I recommend using special wax heaters created for eyebrow artists. For example, the one by Hana Expert. The ideal volume of this wax heater, 120 mm, allows you to heat up an optimal amount of wax for your procedure. The wax heater by Hana Expert has a very convenient weight. It is portable and compact. Besides, wax heater by Hana Expert will get your wax or sugar paste ready within 10 minutes only. Operation indicator will remind you to switch the heater off after the procedure. Inbuilt thermostat will maintain preset temperature, allowing you to customize it for each client. Besides, the wax heater has a convenient cover with a handle, and rubber stands for maximum stability of the device. You will also need bowls for working with your wax heater. They guarantee perfect cleanliness of the procedure. Bowl sides are not heated up, so it can be easily withdrawn from the heater. You can use several bowls with different materials simultaneously while working with a single wax heater. You will need talc for full-fledged procedure. Better choose talc without perfume or synthetic components. Talc dries out the eyebrow skin quickly, making it ready for waxing. As a result, the client has no irritation or inflammation. To finish the waxing procedure, you will need this special soothing cream. It will calm down the irritated skin and reduce reddening with 10 minutes only. Thanks to a multitude of oils in its contents, it removes wax residues from the skin, so you won't have to buy any extra products for waxing. Now we can get down to the procedure. We have already performed Hana eyebrow dyeing, so now we can proceed to correction. First, we need to remove eyebrow makeup and clean skin from the residues of cosmetics. We use non-alcohol cleanser by Hana Expert for that. Next, apply talc by Hana Expert with a cotton bud over the entire processed surface of the skin. Heat up the wax. The optimal temperature of hot wax is 50 degrees. It is very convenient because I can move bowls with hot wax anywhere I need. Next, apply wax in the direction of hair growth and remove it against the growth direction. Wax should be applied at some distance from the eyebrows. Tear off the wax abruptly and don't forget to fix nerve endings to reduce painful sensations. After removing wax from the skin, apply the cleanser by hand expert on the processed skin. Our work is finished by a mirror correction with tweezers. At the end of the procedure, we apply soothing cream by Be Special. Make massaging motions all over the processed surface of the skin. At the end of the procedure, we evaluate the result. Remember, I promised you a bonus. So, how can an artist earn more with this procedure? You can offer your client to perform correction of other facial zones. For example, to remove hairs above lips or hairs on cheeks and other zones of the client's choice. You can perform such procedure as a compliment to your service or provide it for an extra fee. That's it for today. I wish you perfect work and happy clients. See you soon!